Hello students, this question is taken from test series 3 EE from the subject power electronics from the topic phase control rectifiers, and it is of linked data question for question number 54. In the given question, a single phase fully controlled bridge circuit is shown in the figure. RMS value of AC input voltage is given 230 volts, which is nothing but supply voltage is given 230 volts, and firing angle alpha is 60 degrees. The alpha value of firing angle is given 60 degrees, and the load current is constant, that is I is equal to 4 amperes, the given figure, and it is fully controlled bridge circuit. We have to find the value of reactive power input is dash. In this we have to find the value of reactive power input, that is QI, which is reactive power input. In order to find the reactive power input, the given supply voltage is equal to Vm by root 2, which is nothing but from this we can calculate the value of Vm, that is equal to 230 into root 2, which is 230 is the supply voltage, and given alpha is equal to 60 degrees. The formula to calculate the reactive power input of a single phase fully controlled converter is given is Qi is equal to Vs of 2 root 2 by pi I naught sin alpha. This is the formula to calculate the reactive power input in single phase fully controlled rectifier. This is the formula to calculate the reactive power input. The value of Vs, we know that Vs is equal to Vm by root 2. After Vm is 2 Vm by pi, root 2 get cancelled, will get 2 Vm by pi I naught sin alpha. From this the value of Vm is equal to 230 root 2. 2 into Vm is 230 root 2 by pi. The value of current I naught is given 4 ampere, 4 into sine of pi by 3, which is the firing angle alpha is equal to 60 degrees. Substitute all the values, will get the value. After solving this, we'll get the value of reactive power input, that is Qi is equal to 717.32 watts, which is option B. In this session we have studied about how to calculate the reactive power input for the given single phase fully controlled bridge circuit. Thank you.